Welcome to another video from PixLogik. I've got Unity open in front of me and I'm just going to clear up some things with the character we did in the last video. In his jump, I have changed number of jumps to 1, jump height to 2.3, and I've unticked jump is proportional to the button press. Now I've also character level bounds, I've set this to kill. If I press play here, we'll see how that jump works. Okay. Yep, and he jumps just high enough to skim the top. Perfect. I created a new sprite for a new decoration, which I will add just now. I thought a torch in the background would be nice. So we're going to make this, I'm going to make it 8 actually, because I want it quite large. 8 and point none. Don't forget to change single to multiple. We'll apply that and into sprite editor, and we will slice this up to 24. Apply. We will take one of these up, drag it onto our scene, and I'm going to create an animation for it. I'm going to make, I think, 15. I'm also going to take the middle one out and drop it up at 45. Let's have a look at that. And I've got a little torch moving about there. I'll give it a transparent glow at the back there so you can still see the bricks behind it. I'm just going to call that torch. And I'm going to create a prefab for that. There we go. Going to delete this one. And we're going to drag it down into props. Let's take our level start up. And he runs in front of them. I'm not sure I like those torches at that size, so I'm going to reduce it and see how it looks. I'm going to take it to 16. I'm going to play that. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it down to 16. Okay, there's one more thing we need, and that is an endgame trigger. I have created an endgame sprite, which I'm going to drag in just now. And we'll try it 16. Point and none. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Retro Adventure and we will find the endgame trigger here, There we go, and we'll copy that. And we'll paste it in there. Let's move it over here. Let's zoom in on this. Let's change the sprite. Okay. And let's just find the finish level. So what I'm going to do is go back into test. I'm going to change the name of test 1. Let's call this level 1. Okay, we lost that, but we can paste it back in. We will change the sprite for it again. Let's go find it. Zoom out. Let's stick it right up here. Okay. I'm going to create a new scene. I'm going to call this level 2. And in our finish level, pop that in. Now, I'm just going to copy everything from here. Going to delete the main camera. Going to paste this in. And what I am going to do is delete some of the platform up here, just so we can see the transition. Go back to level 1. We have to go into build settings and we have to add our scenes. So we've added level 1 there. And if we go into level 2 and we do the same, back to level 1, I'm going to move my level start up. And we're now into level 2. Okay. We now have the makings of a game. We're going to just do some level design in the next video. We'll maybe get the first 2 levels done so they're actually playable and fun to play. We'll add new enemies, more coins. So hopefully I'll see you for that. Goodbye.